Hi, folks. Welcome to this session. In this session, we would be discussing how to develop research questions. So, although some of you may have a pretty good idea of your chosen topic, at some point of time, this needs to be broken down into research questions. So, the agenda of this session is to break down your research topic into specific pointed research questions. So, let's get started and understand the importance of developing a clear and focused set of research questions that already we have discussed in some of our previous tutorials. Now, a research question usually follows a general research idea. The majority of business and management students are expected to generate their own ideas and subsequent research questions. In this video and in this respect or in this context, it is probably the first time you have not been given a preset of range of questions. Here, you have to develop your own set of questions. A useful exercise is to ask yourself certain questions and then break down your research topic into very specific and pointed research questions. So that's the agenda of this topic and today's tutorial. So let's get started and understand what kind of questions will help you develop your research topic or your research idea. So let's get started. So the first thing, the question number one that you need to ask yourself is, what do you want to find out? So let us understand and try to define your topic in no more than 12 words. Exactly what it is you wish to find out. In other words, sum up the nature of your research in no more than one sentence. This is a very, very useful and imperative exercise as it helps you to clarify in your own mind what you intend to achieve from your research, right? It makes it very clear that you have to break down your idea and summarize it into a crisp sentence to understand what exactly you wish to find out. So, this is very, very important, and try to write down, use a paper and pen, and try to write down what exactly you want to find out from your research in a precise single sentence, right? So, that is question number one. Question number two. Here, what you need to do is to figure out a specific question and answer this question. Why do you want to research this topic? Right? You need to have a concrete answer. Why are you working on this topic? Or why do you wish to work on this topic? So, try to provide reasons for choosing your particular topic. As we have discussed earlier, for many researchers or students, these include a topic that is of personal interest and related to your future career opportunities. So, whether you want to pursue your career as a researcher or as a teacher or as an academician, it's very necessary or pertinent to answer this question, that why are you working on this topic or why do you intend to work on this topic? So, it's very important that being able to explain why you wish to research your chosen topic area helps you to justify your research, while at the same time should also help motivate you to understand the finally complete your research work. So if you're clear why you wish to work on this topic, it makes it very easy for you to understand the path or the final vision why you want to accomplish this research topic. Okay, so moving on, question number 3. Why does this research need to be carried out? What are the research gaps? What is the serious problem in the society that your research topic can help figure out or maybe solve that problem? So you need to answer this big question. So you need to understand, why is it important for you or for your chosen research topic to be carried out? From your background reading, or that is what we say literature review, you may have identified a gap that exists in the current literature on the subject area that requires further investigation. Whatever the response, okay, whatever the answer or whatever the gaps you figure out, it is important that you understand the significance underlying your research. So this particular question helps you underline, underscore the gap or the significance of why this research is being carried out. Question number 4. Here, you have to understand or you have to investigate with respect to what information currently exists elsewhere, that is, what kind of research has been already done. Students or researchers are often faced with either a wealth or dearth of information. You either have tons of information already existing in this area, or there is no information that exists on this particular topic that you have chosen. A wealth of information is in some respects more difficult for a student. This is for two reasons. The literature review can be more time consuming, and it can be challenging when it comes to identifying the more relevant literature. Sometimes, if a student is faced with a huge amount of literature to review, this can eat into valuable time required to carry out other stages of research. Identifying the most relevant literature can be made easier by continuing the number of citations, or maybe the more frequently a particular author is referred to by other authors indicates the level of importance of that particular author's work. Now, it's very simple for you to understand that if you are working on the literature review and if you do a bibliometric analysis, you would easily figure out what uh, uh, for example, let us say what a particular author has been quite often stating with respect to your topic. Maybe the author, or maybe the institution, or maybe the journal which has been publishing articles related to this particular topic area. So when you dig deeper into this area, you will easily investigate that and find out what necessary work has been done in this particular area, right? So a dearth of information can also be time consuming, right? As some sources may prove difficult to access. Maybe some are paid, which probably you can't afford to access. For example, like I would say, your university or maybe your college may not have access to some journals, maybe some American journals or Chinese or Korean journals, articles for your study. Now, these maybe need to be ordered, which may be obviously time consuming, or maybe you have to spend some money on that, right? So if I have to summarize this, the key questions highlighted in the previous four slides, they represent a consecutive or constructive exercise in helping to clarify your research. It provides a useful platform to help develop your research questions. So, the four questions that I have highlighted over here, these questions need to be answered before delving deep into your research. So, if you have clear cut answers for these questions, that means you have a sound topic to work upon. So, thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, and subscribe. Do not forget to hit the bell icon to receive all the notifications with respect to any new video uploaded on this channel. Thank you for watching. Do spread a good word about it. Spread it among your peers, fellow researchers, and help this channel grow. Thank you for watching.